Getting set up with the business credit reporting agencies. Today, we're going to look at setting up a business. There are a few steps you'll need to take to set up your business first, before you get set up with the 3 reporting agencies. The first step is to set up your business entity. You can build credit with any entity, but consider either a corporation or LLC to help reduce your liability in the business. With sole proprietors and partnerships, you are the business. You're one and the same. With those entities, you'll always be liable for what happens in your business. With corporations and LLCs, you and the business are separate from each other. This makes it easier to also separate your liability. Visit your Secretary of State website. Search for the name you want to ensure it's not already taken. Then follow the steps to set up for a new for-profit or nonprofit business. Fees vary by state, but the setup process usually only takes 15 minutes or less to complete. Next, visit the IRS website to get your employer ID number or EIN. Never pay for your EIN. It's 100% free. There are companies who try to look official and help you get your EIN, but at the end of the process, they charge you. You don't need to pay. There are 3 main business credit reporting agencies in the United States: Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax Commercial. These are the reporting agencies your EIN credit is reported to. Start with initial business credit. Get set up with initial trade vendors that report to D&B, Experian, and Equifax to establish initial business credit. If you have good personal credit or a guarantor who does, you can also build initial business credit with our unsecured business financing program. There are approvals for up to $150,000 and 0% rates for 6 to 18 months. This is unsecured, no documentation financing. Get approved even as a startup. Get pre-approved by going to www.creditsuite.com/get-funding. Contact us today to learn more about getting set up with business credit reporting agencies.